This is how I made props for Spamalot, and if you haven't already, go check out my other videos. Today we're working on sealing and prepping the shields for priming and painting. For that, I used a mixture of wood glue and water, making it easier to apply and smooth on. My hope was to do one side, then the other. But because it's the middle of January, the garage is cold, and the ground is even colder, so there was no guarantee for an easy cure for wood glue. While I was waiting for glue to dry, I decided to test out my prototype Excalibur. With the swords that I'm making, I'm also making the belts. Now, not every knight will use their swords, but it will still be part of their costume. The idea is to make it easy to draw out and easy to sheath. Now, because I'm left-handed, I'm not used to drawing swords out with my right hand. So while the glue was still drying, I decided to try out my other prototype, the French Taunter helmet. Observe. Beautiful, right? At this point in the build, I was practically watching paint dry, so I decided to move some stuff around because I quickly realized that my space heater was only hitting the middle shield. So after a very quick rotation, all the shields were now in a line of fire. And if you like this, follow for part 4 because